Okay, so what's our take with gold right now today? So Monday, it's a new week for our trading and over the weekend. And so may mga bombahan na nangyayari, no? So lagyan lang natin yung mga fundamentals with gold. So fundamentals, kailan natin. So number one, may ceasefire na nangyari, no? Pero kahit na may ceasefire, meron pa ring mga bombings, no? Meron pa ring ah barilan na nangyayari. So, what's our take with this? So, uncertainty, no? Uncertainty. As of now, wala pa ring clear direction with gold and it's leaning towards the bearish. It's leaning toward the bearish kasi nga we are at in a 4 hour time frame. Okay. So we are still looking at a downtrend. Okay. So on a higher time frame, on a bigger or longer term view, we are still at a bullish trend. No, so it's still bullish, but right now, yeah, pababa pa rin si gold. Okay, so I'd like to see this opportunity. I like to see this as an opportunity. No, so yan yung mga levels natin. So if gold breaks this trend line, and if gold breaks yung ating mga ah, kasi right now wala puro ano lang tayo, no, puro spaghetti movement lang tayo with our EMA. So with this kind of trend line, and if ito ang binasag ni gold, then we can take a look at uh, the downside further, no. So we're going to target 4,000 4,4 and 3,500. Ayan. It's not really impossible. So, pinakita na natin yan. So, when I back tested this gold, so sabi ko, it's really hard to believe that gold will go down $1,000, no? Pero yun na nga yung nangyari, no? So from 5,600 down to 4,000, it's really big, no? So that's 1,600 move. That's $1,600 move. And so right now, since pababa nga yung bias natin, but we are leaning towards gold as being range bound. And so kasi may mga levels pa rin naman yan eh. Okay? So here, nag-aabang tayo. Meron tayong abang dito, meron tayong signal nito sa group natin. So bakit dyan? No? So tingnan nyo, since sabi ko nga range bound, may mga galaw yan dito na bumabalik-balik talaga siya. But I'm looking at an entry here, pero on a limited upside, no? So probably these are maximum target for 537 and stretch na tong 4580. We're not looking at a very big movement like it's going to go back to 4,800 or 5,600 right away. So if it goes to 4,600, then we might see a pullback. Or with this kind of down movement. So, and last week, grabe, it went down from 4,580 all the way to 4,365. And so, ganun kabilis yung movement niya. It's just a few hours, no? Few hours lang yan. And then, after that, nag-create ng nag-create ng nag-create ng malaking divergence, no? Create ng malaking divergence dito and it went back pataas, no? From 4,360 up to 4,600. So ganun siya kabilis, no? So I believe na we really cannot be just on the other side, no? So even if we are looking at the bearish, no? So we want to sell around here, no? If we're going to sell, it should be here. But as of now, meron namang mga evidences na it could still go up, no? From here up to probably here, no? 4540. But we are only targeting this, no? 4517 at the max, no? So from 4487 as our target, buy limit order, we are only targeting 4517, 4518 as our target, no? So yun yung take profit level natin. So yun lang, with that kind of movement, pwede na, no? Pwede na tayo doon. So we are not really shooting for the moon right now because it's just really a range bound, no? So after this kind of movement, it's really hard to ignore that there's an impulse pataas, no? So kahit na yun nga, sabi ko nga, if even if we are looking at the bearish kasi nga with the inflation fears, with the oil and dollar going up, there's still some movement pataas. Okay? And what's a good thing about this is that even if we are looking at US Iran war, the constant or the persistent push for diplomacy, ibig sabihin talagang gusto nila maayos to and they want to return to normal, lalo na yung inflation, and they want to cut on rates kasi nga they want to have a growth, no, sa US. So yun yung take natin doon, and we are looking at that kind of impulse pataas, no? So sabi ko nga, with my previous videos, we are bearish but we are just one news away para bumalik pataas. So this is that one news, no? Pero hindi pa tapos 'yan. Okay? So babagsak, very bearish na yung yung sentiment last weekend. Just few candles because of the ceasefire agreement, umakyat siya to 4,600. Then imagine that, that's $250 movement. Okay, so these are take. We are looking at um, this movement. So right now, 4,487, umakyat na siya sa 4,501. So meron na siyang galaw, medyo malaki-laki na rin yan, oh, yung bounce na yan. So pwede na, depende sa inyong lot size. Okay? So also, yun nga, nasa ano tayo, no, nasa ano tayo dito, nasa oversold levels tayo. Kasi nga, coming from 4.5 or 4.6, it went down. Okay, if we're going to sell again, we want to sell here. Okay, and here, if we want to catch a really big movement. Okay, so 4.6, yeah, those are the levels that you want to see. Okay, but again, it really depends on the fundamentals. If the fundamentals really goes to the in favor of the diplomacy, then we can see some really big movement pataas, no? And our target for that is around 4,800. Ayan. So di natin bibiglayin, ito lang, yan lang yung mga levels natin, no? Itong downtrend level natin, mga trend line natin, doon tayo umaabang. Okay, this is a resistance, this is a resistance, and those are the levels that we want to see na ma-break niya para ma-confirm natin yung pagtaas nito. Yan. So those are the levels, and that's our take with gold. So if you want to learn more about forex trading, you want to start trading with gold, you can check the link just sa bio natin and sa comment section. So see you there.